अभी सही है क्या देखो. Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 4 multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fraction. We multiply the fraction by whole number. We multiply the fraction by whole number. First, whole number multiply numerator of fraction by denominator. First, 15 multiply 5 upon 20. Here, 15 is the whole number, then 5 upon 20 is the fraction. First, we whole number multiply numerator of the fraction upon denominator. Now, whole number is 15 multiply 5 upon 20. Now, we multiply this, we simplify in the fraction. We can simplify the fraction by dividing numerator and denominator by common factor. We cut this number. Divide means we common factor से numerator and denominator को divide. First, which is the common factor of, any common factor is here? Yes, 5 is the common factor of 5 and 20 or 5 and 15 and 20. Here 5 how many times gone? 1 times, here 4 times. Now 15 1 ja 15, here is equal to 15 upon 4. Okay. Now which fraction is this? Which fraction is this? Improper fraction. First we convert improper into mixed. Then what is our answer? 3 by 4. Now fraction multiply by another fraction. Fraction multiply by another fraction. First, 4 by 15 multiply 3 by 8. 4 by 15 multiply 3 by 8. The product of the fraction is equal to numerator of numerator multiply denominator. Product of numerators and product of denominators. First you check any common factor is here. Any common factor? Yes. 4 and 8. What is the common factor of here 4 and 8? 4 is the common factor of 4 and 8. Then 3 is the common factor of 3 and 15. Here we cut how many times gone for table of 4 in 4? 1 times, here 2 times. Here how many times gone in 3? 1 times, here 5. Now you multiply 1 into 1, 5 into 2. Our answer is 5 by 10. Understand you? Next, mixed fraction into multiply by mixed fraction into mixed fraction. 3 1 by 2 multiply 4 1 by 4. First you convert mixed into improper. First you convert mixed into improper. Then 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 upon 2 multiply. 4 4 ja 16, 16 plus 1, 17. Now, any common factor is here? No, there is no common factor. Then numerator is not divided. Denominator is not divided. Any common factor is here? No. First you multiply this. 7 multiply 17 upon 2 multiply 4. then 8. Which fraction is this? Improper, then you convert improper into mixed. Then first you divide answer is 14, 5 by 8. Understand you? Next, find the value. Find the value. Find the value. First, 3 by 5 of 1 rupees 1000. Here 3 by 5 of rupees 1000. Of means multiply. Of means multiply. 3 by 5 of means multiply. Multiply rupees 1000. Okay. Next. Then here there is no denominator, you multiply here. Then how many times gone in? The common factor is this 200. Then multiply this 2 3 just 6. Then rupees 600. Again 1 by 4 of 120. Of means multiply, then we 1 by 4 multiply 120. Okay, here there is no denominator, you put 1. Then this cut, how many times gone? 30. Here answer is here 1. 30 upon 1 is equal to 30. Understand you? Next, what are? Yes. 3 by 15 of 4 by 7. 3 by 15 of 4 by 7. First you, instead of 4, you put the sign of multiply. Here 3 by 15 multiply 4 by 7. Then any common factor is here. First you look, any common factor is here. There is no common factor is here. You multiply 3 into 4, then 15 into 7 is equal to 12, then 105. Understand you? Then how to solve the problems? Meena reads 3 by 5 of the books in a day. If the total pages of book is, if the total pages of book is 125, how many pages she read? Okay. Meena reads 3 by 5 of the books in a day. If the total pages of the book is 125, how many pages she read? First we solution total pages of book. total pages of book is equal to 125. Then pages of books, the fraction she read, fraction of books she reads is equal to 3/5. Now number of pages is equal to 3/5. 3/5 multiply 125. Now there is no denominator here. You write 1. Yes. Now any common factor is here. Yes, 5 is the common factor of 5 and 125. Then cut this one here, 2, then 25 is equal to 3 multiply 25 is equal to 175. Now the final answer is, hence 75 pages are she read. Understand? Then one more question. Mohan ate 2/3 of a cake. Mohan ate 2/3 of a cake. If the total weight of cake is 1/4 kg, how much cake he ate? Here solution. First we write total weight of cake is equal to 1/4 kg. Then he ate, that is Mohan, he ate cake is equal to 2/3 kg. Then weight of cake he ate then 1/4 multiply 2/3. First you convert mixed into improper. 9/4 multiply 2/3. Then any common factor is here? Yes. 3 is the common factor of 3 and 9. Then 2 is the common factor of 2 and 4. Now cut this one time here, here 3. Then one time 2. Now we multiply this 3 1 are 3, then 2. Okay, then which fraction is this? Which fraction? Improper fraction. Then you convert 1 by 2 kg. Understand you? Then I give some questions here. Question number 2, A to C. Question number 3, A to F. Question number 5, A to D of exercise 4.1. Okay, thank you.